sound like got oscillating. It's running about 7 Ferrari turbos and 2 Lamborghini exhausts. They didn't let me in the meet because it's not a classic.
Wouldn't let me in my car in today because it's not a classic.
See, I need to get some night out.
Lamborghini exhaust system on it. Ferrari engine.
You hit me, and I just hit the car.
Move ready for the What? Nearly. I sucked my clutch. Oh wait, it's a car. 7-time world champion. Who even Matt Dean don't know. It's not even. Buzz. Oh, are we getting kicked out? Going on special.
Gang Mars gets arrested part 500 and it's mine.
Over here, we went in a bit with it.
It's here.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Special.
The Hashim got rammed into.
It broke.
Diagnostic, it broke.
It broke.
Hashim was rammed last night while he was eating McDonald's with his wife.
So guys,
We don't know who his wife is yet.
in Harvey gang rag.
He was also hit by McDonald's.
Wait, oh. How does this work?
Oh, those are RPF ones? And sponsor us, Con.
Sorry guys, I don't know how to use the Android. So, they're putting the crack with the crack with the crack. This is Freddy's crack. He's got replica RPF1, but they're not RPF1.
They look better conditioned than my wheels.
They look nothing like RPF1s, bro. RPF1s don't have this dish. The fucking spokes are thinner on RPF1s.
RPF2.
This is Kai crack.
Oh, that's Kyle. I thought that was compact. Wait, what is wrong with that? So what's going on with this one? See, it's got Cali lead going.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Look, Barney spunked on its face. Look, the compact gonna break. Anyway.
Mate, this has got more drift.
Fuck you, Max Verstappen.
Pizza sticker, a box. This has got more drift. This has got more style than me.
Mate, you're stripped, mate.
This looks like something straight out of Underground with the wheel size and everything. Oh, you never played that, did you?
You're kicked off Hoover Gang Raj. More?
Yeah, this side is skipping it up.
Yeah, bro, it feels like it's got a welded diff.
Wait. Right, we'll come back. Wait, come. Oh, you got your foot on the brake, mate. That's why.
Oh.
Just take your foot off the brake.
Oh, okay.
You go.
I don't know how automatic work.
You go. Stop. Turn off, bro.
Oh. I don't know how automatic work, guys.
Turn off.
Off?
Yeah.
I'm too used to manual.
I'm so confused. I was like, what?
Automatics are shit. I thought I had welly diff.
He's fucking got your foot on the brake.
I didn't think I did, bro. The brake's got like loads of travel before it feels like it's engaging. Oh, this clip's 2 minutes long.
That's good.
Is that where you store your drugs? Oh, okay.
And my steering rack.
In the bin.
I've put 2 turbos on it. Yeah. With 4 superchargers, so it's going to runs brake horsepower. It has 750.
Now Hashim is putting the jack in the Hashim.
Hashim.
Oh my god.
Oh. It's in half, mate.
Oh my god. I couldn't see that probably on camera. Oh my god. Hashim got that 4-wheel steering. The rog we used is gone bag. Gone bag. Recycle, reused, ikiki.
Reduce. Reuse. Ikiki.
Okay. When I speak to him on the phone, that's what I hear as well. Yeah. When you go and play pool next, I want to come.
Hoover time.
It broke, basically.
Yeah.
3 Hoover members in one
We
location.
got Raz. Things are facing for now.
We got wide arches going for this boy.
Alright.
Flared. First, you jack out the car.
Safety first.
Bear boy crack. Oh my god, you've got. We were crashed into, so we're just checking if the engine's okay.
Massive bit of whatever it was.
Should've never uploaded, banged in the head, then the story unfolded. Is it bleeding? The words that you chosen. Never sent a penny my way, banks frozen. My money don't go anywhere. Everybody's going viral, but let me tell you, going viral isn't vital. Buy a new bike, that's what I'm needing. Wonder if I make it, if I say, is it bleeding? Is it bleeding? Everybody's going viral, and let me tell you, that ain't vital.
So not look good, and sad day for Hashim, but also there is some good stuff.
Waldo's coming back, lads.
Yep,
Waldo back, part 2.
Yeah.
It was a good run. Waldo's coming back, lads. OG Compag. I'll see you in the next Hoover.
Oh yeah.
Only you go.